Hey, today we're working on a 2005 Ford Fiesta. It's got the 1.6 litre engine and running like a dog. So what we've actually found, I'll show you, we've just taken the air filter off. Found if you take these leads out, and in there I've just stuck a torch in there just so you can see it. There's a Welsh plug in there. And what was actually happening, that one there, it looks like it's been leaking, and it was creating a steam effect there right around the spark plugs. There's another one over here. So we believe that is causing the problem. And what we've actually done is let it dry out, put it all back together, start it up, it runs fine. So that steam was affecting the leads and causing that effect. So we're just gonna, you can see the Welsh plug in there now. Light's pretty bright in there. And you can see there's also a bit of corrosion on those spark plugs, so it's been happening for a little while. This centre bit's blocked off, so from all of it. Probably even if it was vented, it might even be better, but a leaking Welsh plug is not a good thing anyway. So we're going to take off this rocker cover and just replace those Welsh plugs. To get it off, we're just going to move everything away from the rocker cover. You might even have to take this timing belt cover off. Take that little lead, just unclip it here. Move that out of the way. Take the leads off. And just also make sure that you clean it all, blow it all out as best as you can. You don't want any of that muck falling inside the motor. There they are, Welsh plugs. You've got your timing gears there and the timing belt. Looks like this side's been leaking for quite a while. You can see all that corrosion in there. Welsh plug's out, we're just going to let the water out, or the coolant out. Now to get the Welsh plugs out, you just tap with your screwdriver on one side, you have to see with the light, like that, and it'll sort of rotate it in like that, and then you just get your multi-grips and just pull it out. You can see now, you can just grab that edge there with the multi-grips. Just lever it out, that's it. There you go. One there and one over there. Okay, we've got the brass 25mm Welsh plugs, and we're also going to just smear on a little bit of gasket cement on the head and also on the Welsh plug. And we've got a driver here that is just slightly bigger than the Welsh plug, so when we're driving it in, that'll stop on the top of the head there, so we don't push it right in. Just going to put a little bit of gasket cement on the inside of there. Just make sure it's all the way around. On the Welsh plug. Just going to place that there like that. And now we're going to grab our driver. And you can hear that different sound when it hits the head. There you go. There we go. We've just knocked them down a little bit below flush with the head because there's a little chamfer there. So if you go to the chamfer, it means less of the head will be holding it. So you've got to actually go down to the bottom of the chamfer, and our driver, I actually machined a little step in it just so it could go down to that chamfer. You can see it's just below the chamfer there. So these probably never leak again, hopefully. So now it's just a matter of cleaning off all that elastic. We'll put a new seal on the rocker cover and put it all back together. When we finish the job, we'll probably put a pressure tester on it as well, up here on the radiator. But before we do that, I'd like to just do a reverse flush of everything. Make sure everything in the cooling system's as clean as we can have it. And of course, new coolant. Anyway, not a difficult job. Very similar on any vehicle with Welsh plug replacement. Same sort of process. Thank you for watching.